Before you recycle that old MacBook, watch this. In the next few minutes, we are turning it into an always-on personal AI assistant with OpenClaw, a machine you can message from Discord or Telegram, ask to run real tools, inspect, restart, and keep improving. OpenClaw is the control center. Around here, that is the whole point. Your chat message comes in, the gateway coordinates the assistant, and the MacBook becomes the local box that connects sessions, tools, files, memory, and messages. You do not need a monster workstation for the first version. An old MacBook or Mac Mini already has the boring magic: screen, keyboard, battery, Wi-Fi, speakers, and macOS. Plug it in, keep it awake, and it becomes useful again. Here is the practical checklist: a MacBook with terminal access, Node 24 if possible, or Node 22.16 or newer, NPM or PNPM, one model account, and one chat channel like Discord or Telegram. That is enough to get a real assistant online. The install is the easy part. In terminal, run npm install-g OpenClaw at latest. If you prefer PNPM, use pnpm add-g OpenClaw at latest. That puts the OpenClaw command line on the Mac. Then run OpenClaw onboard -- install-daemon. This is the command that turns the laptop from old hardware into assistant infrastructure. It walks through the gateway, workspace, model root, channels, skills, and background daemon. Do not think of onboarding as a boring setup wizard. This is where OpenClaw gets its home: workspace, config, daemon, channels, and the basic operating system for the assistant you will actually talk to. For the first channel, start with Discord or Telegram. You want the assistant somewhere you already check. Follow the pairing or bot set up carefully and do not paste secrets into public chats. The channel is the front door. Now test it like a normal person. Send, "What can you do?" Then ask for a harmless local check, like current status or a workspace summary. The point is to prove the loop works. Message in, OpenClaw routes, assistant answers with evidence. Once the loop works, give it one real job, not 10, one. A morning briefing, a research summary, a reminder workflow, a Discord helper, a family logistics note. OpenClaw gets interesting when it lives where you already live. Because this connects to real channels, security matters. Treat messages from strangers as untrusted. Use pairing and allow lists. Do not expose the gateway to the public internet unless you understand what you are doing. Run OpenClaw Doctor to catch risky setup choices. For an always-on assistant, keep the MacBook plugged in and prevent sleep when needed. Start simple. Leave it open on power while testing. Later, make it cleaner with proper power settings, updates, backups, and a place to live. This is not movie Jarvis. It is better because it is real. You can run it, inspect it, restart it, update it, and improve it. No mystery black box. Just your MacBook, OpenClaw, and a practical assistant loop. The real trick is not the install command. The trick is giving old hardware a new job. A laptop that feels too slow for daily work can still be the always-on brain for notes, messages, research, scheduling, and small automations. So if you have an old MacBook sitting around, do not recycle it yet. Install OpenClaw, run onboard, connect one channel, send one test message, and give it one useful job. That is how a dusty laptop becomes a personal AI assistant.